Fiat's pavilion at the Auto Expo wasn't really big, but what was on display sure had auto enthusiasts interested. First up, the Fiat Linea. This is the facelifted Linea and will go on sale soon in India. It showcased the whole Linea range from the T-Jet to the 1.3 Multi-Jet. The front of the Linea gets a new bumper and grille, which somehow takes away from the retro styling of the earlier Linea. The rear of the Fiat Linea gets an update as well, with the number plate moving to the boot lid from the bumper. On the insides, there are subtle changes to the car, although the overall dimensions and layout is the same. The instrument panel gets orange lettering on black, while the center console also gets piano black paneling. But the star of the Fiat Pavilion had to be this orange beauty, the Fiat Aventura crossover concept. This is based on the Punto with some bits from the Panda thrown in. The ground clearance has been raised and it gets chunky cladding all around. At the rear, the spare wheel is mounted on the tailgate on a swing arm. On the insides, the car gets a black and orange theme with some off-road instrumentation such as a compass and inclinometer on the center console. It's still in the concept stage, so don't expect all this to make it to production when the car comes in the second half of the year. Besides these, Fiat also had the 500 Abarth on display, as well as the standard Punto, although we expected a facelift of this car.